Hello there. Today I will show you an easy-to-use trading strategy with 2-to-1 RR that works in the Forex market. For this strategy I will use 3 indicators plus the ATR indicator for money management, aka for stop loss. First, the 50 EMA, I will use it to identify the trend. Second indicator is the ASH indicator. On default settings. The third indicator is the Chaikin money flow indicator, which will act as volume indicator and second confirmation. It is on default settings as well. And lastly, the 12-period ATR bands indicator with a multiplier of 2. That means the stop loss goes 2 times ATR away from price. For long entries, the price must be or cross above the 50 EMA, ASH must be green above red, and Chaikin must be above 0. For short entries the rules are the opposite. In this strategy I will use the one candle rule, which means, if only 2 indicators gave a signal, I will wait only 1 candle for the third indicator to give the signal. If it did not, I will skip the trade. Let's see some example trades. Here in this example all the rules are met for long entry. Price crossed above 50 EMA, ASH is green, and Chaikin crossed above 0. Buy on candle close. SL goes 2 times ATR below entry and TP 2 times risk. Here is another example. All rules are met. Buy on close and SL 2 times ATR below entry. This trade happened to be a loser. Let's see examples for short trades. Here the price crossed below the 50 EMA, ASH is red, and Chaikin is below 0. That is a valid signal. Here is another trade. This trade happened to be a loser, but see how the Chaikin money flow kept us out of the choppy market after that losing trade. This is a trade that took quite some time to close, but was a winner. Do not forget to test the strategy out and see its true win rate before considering using it. See you in the next one.